What's up, crypto fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a project that has been making some serious waves in the crypto space. It's got the meme, it's got the tech, and it's got everyone asking, is this the next 100 kali gem? I'm talking about LBRETT, or LBRETT. Get ready, because we're about to break down everything you need to know. Now, you know what you're thinking, another meme coin. But hold on, LBRETT is positioning itself as something more. So, what is it exactly? LBRETT is a new meme coin built on a Layer 2 blockchain. This is its secret weapon. Unlike many of its predecessors that struggle with slow transaction times and high fees, LBRETT is designed for scalability and speed. This means it can handle a massive number of transactions quickly and affordably. Think about it. The biggest complaint about some of the most popular coins is that they become almost unusable when they get popular. LBRETT is built from the ground up to avoid that problem. It combines the viral, community-driven fun of a meme coin with the robust, efficient technology of a Layer 2 solution. It is aiming to be the best of both worlds, a coin that is fun to be a part of, but also practical to use. This isn't just about a funny picture, it's about building a real ecosystem on a foundation that can actually support it. We're talking about a meme with a mission. So where did LBRETT even come from? The story is just as interesting as the tech. The character, Brett, is inspired by a figure from a popular comic, known for his laid-back, just-fibbing attitude. This instantly resonated with the crypto community. It's a throwback, a piece of internet culture that feels both nostalgic and fresh. The team behind LBRETT, while remaining low-key, brilliantly tapped into this sentiment. The hype didn't just appear out of nowhere. It began bubbling up in crypto circles, on social media platforms, and in dedicated community groups. Early believers saw the potential of combining this beloved meme with powerful Layer 2 technology. This organic growth is crucial. It wasn't forced, it grew from genuine excitement. Now, how does it stack up against the giants like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or even the more recent Pepe? Dogecoin started as a joke and became a phenomenon. Shiba Inu built an entire ecosystem. Pepe rode a massive wave of meme culture. LBRETT is learning from all of them. It has the pure meme appeal of Doge, the ecosystem ambitions of Shiba, and the cultural relevance of Pepe, but with a technological advantage they didn't have at launch, that Layer 2 foundation. It's like the next evolution in the meme coin saga, built for the modern era of blockchain. Alright, let us get technical and talk about what is under the hood, the technology and the tokenomics. This is where LBRETT really starts to separate itself from the pack. The total supply is a key metric, and the team has laid it out clearly. We're also seeing a burning mechanism in place. For those new to crypto, a burning mechanism means that a portion of the tokens are permanently removed from circulation with transactions, which can help to create scarcity and potentially increase the value of the remaining tokens over time. The smart contract is the backbone of the project, and the early audits have been positive, pointing to a secure and well-written code. But the real game changer, as I've mentioned, is its Layer 2 base. Why is this such a big deal? Older meme coins were built on Layer 2s like Ethereum, which, while secure, can get congested and expensive. By operating on a Layer 2, LBRETT offers faster transactions and significantly lower gas fees. This makes it more accessible for small investors and more practical for potential future applications. And the market is taking notice. We're seeing impressive real-time performance and a surge of interest from early investors. The trading volume is climbing, and the number of holders is growing daily. This isn't just hype, it is a sign that smart money is seeing the technological edge that LBRETT brings to the meme coin space. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. My price predictions for 2025. Could LBRETT really be the next 10 kali, 50 kali, or even 100 kali coin? Let's break down the possibilities. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice, always do your own research. Currently, LBRETT has a relatively low market cap compared to the top dogs. This is where the massive growth potential comes from. For us 10 kali from here, it would need to reach a market cap that is still well below the all-time highs of coins like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. This makes us 10 kali seem not just possible, but quite plausible if the momentum continues. A 50 kali or 100 kali scenario, that's where things get really exciting. For LBRETT to pull a 100 kali, it would need to capture a significant slice of the overall crypto market. This would require a few key factors to align: continued growth of its community, major exchange listings, and the development of real utility within its ecosystem. Can you imagine a LBRETT NFT marketplace or game running on its fast, cheap Layer 2? That's the kind of innovation that could fuel a legendary run. The combination of viral marketing and the solid tech is a powerful one. If the team delivers on its roadmap and the market stays bullish, we could be looking at one of the biggest success stories of the next cycle. Okay, let's pump the brakes for a second and have a serious thought about the risks. As exciting as the potential upside is, it's crucial to be aware of the dangers, especially with meme coins. The number one risk is volatility. The price of LBRETT token, and likely will experience massive swings. What goes up 100% in a day can come down just as fast. You have to be prepared for this. There's also the risk of dumps, where large holders sell off their bags, causing the price to crash. This is common in meme coin markets. That's why my most important piece of advice is this: never invest more than you are willing to lose. Seriously, don't take out a loan, don't use your rent money, use only risk capital. It's also smart to take profits along the way. If your investment doubles, consider taking your initial investment out. That way, you're playing with house money. Finally, you must learn to distinguish between hype and the real innovation. Hype can drive prices in the short term, but only real utility and a strong community can sustain a project for the long run. LBRETT has a promising foundation with its Layer 2 tech, but its future success depends on building upon that foundation. Don't just follow the hype. Dig into the project, join the community, and understand what you're investing in. So, what's the final verdict on LBRETT? Should you buy in now, or is it better to wait for a correction? This is the million-dollar question. On one hand, getting in early on a project with this much potential could lead to life-changing gains. The community is buzzing, the technology is sound, and the meme is strong. Expert opinions are currently mixed but leaning positive. Many analysts see the Layer 2 advantage as a significant differentiator that could propel it past its competitors. Looking at the future roadmap, the team has plans for further ecosystem development, partnerships, and more exchange listings, all of which could be major catalysts for the price. If you have a high risk tolerance and believe in the long-term vision, starting to dollar cost average into a small position now might be a strategy to consider. However, given the recent run up, a market correction is always possible. A more conservative approach would be to wait for a pullback on a period of consolidation before entering. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Assess your own risk tolerance and do your homework. That's our deep dive into LBRETT. I hope this breakdown helps you make an informed decision. What do you think about LBRETT? Let me know in the comments below. Is it the next big thing or just another flash in the pan? If you found this video helpful and you want to stay ahead in the crypto world, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and make sure you subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.